Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 12 system head unit for Toyota Tacoma 2014 to 2023 years. Okay, let me review head unit. It comes with special harness and canvas decoder. This canvas decoder, now you can check. And connector, power cable, and connector you can check. Okay, plug and play. It's built in the SIM card slot on back. You can put the SIM card, get the 4G network. Okay, the front microphone and the receiver hold this volume. Okay, you can choose the time, logo, speed, GPS, music, navigation, and Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Toyota and change the SIM editor. Choose Belsee back and any color you can choose it. Gray and blue, red. Okay, and let me check the settings. You can change button car lights, display and key lights. You can change yellow, red, green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Oh, it's here. It's built in the Google Play Store and Google Navigation, Auto-Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Apple CarPlay modem and built in the motherboard. Okay. And let me check the settings. About device, you can check Android 12 version, Android 12 version system. And about device, you can check Android 12, this display and DDR 8GB, total 128GB. This factory settings. Password. This password. Please change this break with 0. If not, you can't watch a video. Okay, this is can type. And okay. You can add the all languages, already built in the all language. Okay, and memory, total RAM 8GB, and storage, total 128GB. Okay. And their display SIM style, their total 8 SIM style, you can choose one of it. Okay. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. And click search button to search the Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Okay, click search. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay. It work with free phone call.
For English service, please click 2.
Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call and music, stream music from your phone. Okay, head unit, you can check this radio. You can click search to search the radio station when you connect the radio antenna on back. And music. And this DSP amplifier. Okay, and you can play the video. You can check this 4K video. Okay, this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Already built in the Wi-Fi. You can visit our website, connect Wi-Fi website, Belsee.com, Belse.com. Our latest head unit for Land Rover head unit. It's a Volvo head unit. Okay, you can contact us if you have any more questions. Okay, that's all. Thank you.